record. All right, rendering and animation, Cinema 4D. So I have my tube here. I have a cylinder that I attached to a bend deformer. I have the strength in the angle. I keyframed it. As you can see, it's red right here at that angle here. Just to do it, just to do it. Select these, delete. But if I move this bend deformer, let's say like this, let's say like that. And then I click on this just to get the keyframe, just so you see what I'm doing. And you know what, just because I'm feeling fun, I'll do one more twist. Keyframe, keyframe, and do one more over here. All right. So we have our tube animated. Now let's go into our render settings. So we go over here. We've already added global illumination. And what we're going to do is we're going to go here. Output. This is the resolution. So if I want it to be 1080p, was it 1080 by 1290? I think that's it. I'll look it up later, right? But that's what this is the resolution of our image. And then right here, sometimes it'll be set to current frame, which means that it'll be on this frame. So right now it says 26, it's on frame 26, 26F for frame from to there, but it's only doing the current frame. That's why it's saying that. But if we go to manual and we change the frame range ourselves, we can get from 1 to 30, or we can, jump it up and we can go from 30 to 60 if we wanted to. Let's just try that. You should just do, 1 to whatever your destination is, but this time I'm just gonna, for the sake of this, I'm gonna start this off from 30 to 60. So 30, the F is gonna just automatically be there. 60, rendering from this range, Let's do it. It should take about 1 minute. And to do it, yeah, because right now it's set to do this. Output is this. We go to save the format. Because it's a movie, we're gonna go to MP4. I've never used these. I mean, that's up to you, but we'll just do MP4 now. And then we go to file. I'll just name it tube animation. And now all we have to do, we can close this out, go to this. Saying don't want to overwrite because I already made it before. Or one with a different name. The first one I made was from 1 to 30. This one's from 30 to 60. Now, one thing I was pointing out before is this. If we look at the ground, there's kind of like splotches. There's like little patches. It might be hard to see a little bit for you all, but I can see them indefinitely. But it's not smooth, right? And that's because of the sampling. Now, the higher the sampling we make this, the smoother that will be. So right now it kind of moves. So let's play. And it's kind of nice we can see the render up until this point. There might be a way to do this in Houdini. I just never have done it, I guess. For all I know, Cinema 4D is the only one that I've seen that lets you play the render while it's render. But yeah, if we completely take away the tube and just look, it's a lot of noise there. Which is cool for a preview render, but maybe not be cool for a final. So I don't know about you all, but my computer makes a lot of noise, and then it stops when it's done. So that's how I know it's done rendering. So now that this is here, we have our animation. with our camera animated and all. So now we can save it by going to File, Save Image As. Usually it's set to still image or something like that, I think. But this time it's animation, format MP4. Um, yeah, the rest will leave, and we'll just click on OK. And then I'll click on this one, tube animation done. I already made it before, so I'm just overriding. Now, if I go to my folder, now here's my movie. I click on this. I'll go to repeat just to show you. And now I have my animation rendered. And that's how you would render a movie or your animation out to MP4 file, Cinema 4D.